Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Muskin, your go-to destination for all things tech and robotics. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you: how to use a robot. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a complete beginner, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Part 1. Introduction to the robot. Close-up shots of the robot's features and components. First things first, let's get acquainted with our robot. Every robot is unique, so it's essential to read the user manual provided by the manufacturer. We'll be using our trusty RoboBot 9000 as an example today. Part 2. Setting up the robot. Unpacking the robot and assembling it. Setting up your robot can be a breeze if you follow these steps. Start by unpacking it and ensuring all parts are included. Assemble it according to the instructions, making sure all connections are secure.
Powering on and charging. Demonstrating how to power on the robot and charge it. Next, let's power on the robot. Most robots have a power button. Once it's on, you'll need to charge it if it's not already charged. Plug it into the charger and wait for the battery to fill up. Basic controls. Demonstrating basic controls, such as buttons or a remote control. Now, let's explore the basic controls. This could be through buttons on the robot or a remote control. Familiarize yourself with these controls as they're the key to maneuvering your robot. Navigating your robot. Host guiding the robot through a simple obstacle course. Navigating your robot can be lots of fun. Start with a simple task, like moving it around your room or through an obstacle course. Remember, practice makes perfect. Robot features and functions. Host showcasing different features of the robot. Robots come with various features. Some can dance, play music, or even vacuum your floors. Explore these features and see what your robot can do. Safety tips. Demonstrating safety precautions. Safety is paramount when using a robot. Keep an eye on it, especially around pets and children. Don't leave it unattended near stairs, and always follow safety guidelines. Maintenance. Cleaning and maintaining the robot. To keep your robot in tip-top shape, regular maintenance is essential. Clean it, check for loose parts, and ensure it's in good working condition. Conclusion. Host with the robot. Host. And there you have it. A beginner's guide on how to use a robot. It's all about getting hands-on experience and having fun with your new tech companion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Closing shot. Robot waving or doing a fun action.